Hey guys, Professor NFT here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the most hyped up project out there that's soon to come out. But before I get started, I do want to let you guys know this is not financial advice and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. All right, so before we get started, here, let me go ahead and show you guys the daily volume for the past couple days. You could see that the daily volume's been incredible the past 10 days. It's been we could officially say at this moment we are in a NFT bull run. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with our NFT here, which is the C-01. So this represents the synergy between the world of fashion and digital ownership from the hands of Warner Bros. Designer Gilberto Zaragoza. So one of the key factors that got me so into this project is how incredible the art is. It's so detailed. It's so vivid that it's incredible. You don't see this type of art in NFTs. You just see sometimes just a copy and paste Bored Ape projects. But this project is something incredible. So let's go ahead and jump on their Discord here. So their Discord right now has 378k members. And like I said, this project's coming out in the next couple days. It's coming out actually in the next 4 days. So that's a lot of members. This project's really popular. So Gilberto Zaragoza, his part of the team, I think he's actually the founder of the team, he's actually been involved with runaway successes such as Avengers and Endgame and Love, Death, Plus Robots, which makes it cool. And you could as well see part of their team is also clothing tailor-made by Luis Montero. Hopefully I said it right. He's a French fashion designer with more than 8 years of experience in the luxury fashion industry. He's been working and providing his craftsmanship to the world. Renowned brands such as Chanel, Saint Laurent, and Chloe for the last 2 years. So that's pretty dope. He was actually dedicated to the Louis Vuitton LVMH group. Oh, and he was actually working alongside Virgil Abloh. Hope I said that right. Don't make fun of me if I didn't say that right. So with this, you could pretty much tell this team is full of well-established professionals here. So as well, when you buy a CO1, you are not only owning a digital collectible, but you're also gaining access to the forefront of evolution in the fashion industry, in the metaverse. And I do see that. I do see the future in the metaverse. And I do believe that there are going to be some items that you probably want your avatar wearing, like how it is right now with clothes with Louis Vuitton. Everybody wants a Louis Vuitton. Everybody wants Gucci. I think that's a smart move for what they're doing with this NFT. Be the first ones. You haven't heard of that recently, so they're probably one of the first ones to establish that, or to probably bring that idea up. But they will be pioneers of this fashion industry in the metaverse, because look at the team it has. That's why this NFT is so strong, because of the team behind it and also because of the support behind it. So that is all for me today, guys. Until next time, go ahead and subscribe if you like the video. I'll be posting more content, and I'm actually going to be making a Discord channel so we could all do some NFT flipping. So talk to you guys next time.